Hello everyone, it's Bella, and today I'm going to be showing you guys what I eat in a day. So in case you don't already know, I am vegan, and I have been vegan for about 3 years now. So I've had a lot of practice to perfect the kind of foods that I eat, and I think I've been doing a pretty good job at keeping a balanced diet. So veganism has been such an important part of my life over the past 3 years. I went vegan for 3 reasons: to help the planet, to improve the lives of animals, and to improve my health. And I really believe that through veganism, I have made an impact in all 3 of those categories. And I wanted to show you guys through this video that plant-based eating is not boring, and that you can have wonderful meals that are full of color and variety and definitely not plain. So I like to get a lot of fruits and veggies into my diet, so I make sure that with every meal I have as much variety and vitamins as possible, because I really do want to have a balanced meal full of all the vitamins that I need. Another thing that's really exciting is a lot of the veggies that I'm going to be eating today come from my family's vegetable garden, so I will be sure to show you guys which vegetables I use that are homegrown, because there are actually quite a few of them. So for breakfast this morning, I'm going to be having some avocado on toast, and that is really my go-to breakfast. So I'll usually alternate between 3 of my go-to breakfasts, and those are avocado on toast, a smoothie bowl, or oatmeal. But right now I have some ripe avocados that I think will be perfect for avocado on toast. So in the morning, the first thing I will do is take my supplements and vitamins. So since I'm vegan, I have to take calcium gummies, and I also have to supplement vitamin B12. And in addition to my supplements, I will also take this multivitamin every day. And here's the finished breakfast. As you can see, I love cilantro, so I've added a lot of it to my avocado toast. I also picked some cherry tomatoes from the garden and put them on top. With my avocado toast, I had a mixture of nuts and seeds, and this is definitely one of my favorite breakfasts. So before lunch, I thought I would share with you guys a little bit how I've been trying to eat healthier recently. One of my biggest goals for quarantine was to eat a bit healthier than I usually would. So one of the things that I've struggled with in the past, and that I'm still struggling with, is portion control. I've often had trouble knowing how much to eat and knowing what amount of food is the healthiest portion. So back when we were self-isolated and now in the summertime, I am still working on making sure that I'm eating the proper healthy amount of food. And please keep in mind that I'm not trying to eat less, I'm just trying to eat the right amount so that I feel nourished and healthy and full. I also want to point out that with healthy eating, I never ever want to restrict myself. If you want to have something unhealthy, then just have it in a moderate portion. Also, I am not a nutrition expert at all by any means. I'm just trying to do what's best for me. And I also wanted to quickly remind you guys that this is my personal journey, and I'm not looking for any advice from any of you. So now let's move on to what I'm having for lunch. So I'm actually really excited about today's lunch. This is a meal that I always make for my family and my friends, and it is definitely one of the meals that I love to cook all the time. And this is my famous cauliflower tacos. So usually in these tacos, I will put in some really nice flavorful cauliflower as a base, and then I'll always throw in the veggies that I have in the fridge at the moment. These tacos are literally so good, and they are my absolute favorite thing to eat in the summertime, and these tacos are definitely super healthy, so I'm really excited to show them to you. Here are the tacos all finished. I am so happy with how they turned out today, and they were absolutely delicious. In the tacos, I put in some spicy cauliflower, zucchini from the garden, corn, cilantro, and red cabbage, also from the vegetable garden. So I just had dinner and I didn't get to have too many shots of it because I was eating with my family, but tonight we had a really simple dinner of greens and beans, which is something that we love to have all the time. The kale is actually from our garden and it is so tasty, and we mix that with like garlic and we put some squash in there, and of course we have some beans as well. And on the side we had some bread because the greens and beans is really good to have on the bread. And this is an Italian dish that my family makes all the time, and it's really a vegan staple for us and I love it. Greens and beans is so easy, so we just have it all the time. So I think that it's a great addition to this video since it is so easy. It's a really balanced and nutritious vegan meal. And that is everything that I typically eat in a day. I hope that this video maybe inspired you to eat healthier, or maybe inspired you to implement some more plant-based meals into your diet. I definitely don't share enough vegan content on this channel, and now that it's summertime and I'm not really focusing on my study content, I would be really happy to share some more vegan content with you all if that's what you would like to see. So if you enjoyed this video, make sure to give it a like and subscribe to my channel. I upload 2 days a week, usually on Wednesdays and Saturdays. I would love to see you here for the next video. So thanks again for watching, and I'll see you next time.